Hello, Buckingham students. It's Mr. Payne again. How's everybody doing? It is great to get a chance to talk to everybody. I just wanted to make this video to make and demonstrate the movements that we're going to be performing this week. The 3 fitness movements that we're going to be working on are the arm circles. We are also going to be doing jumping jacks and high knees. So those 3 movements are going to be what we're going to focus on for this week. All right? I just got inside from playing football with my kids, so I'm a little chilly. It's very cold outside today. So I'm going to demonstrate arm circles first. All right? You want to stand up nice and tall, and you want to have your arms out straight, just like so. And you want to begin making small circles with your arms. Okay? This is definitely going to help work on your range of motion. It can help work on your flexibility a little bit too. All right. As I make a little bit larger of a circle, and I'm going to go even bigger. All right, some nice big arm circles. Now, when you do them at home, you definitely want to do them a little bit longer, okay? I'm just shortening them so that the video is not super long. For the next arm circles, you're going to go backwards in reverse, okay? Again, starting off slow, nice and easy, and then increasing that size of the circle. There we go. Some good arm circles. All right, so that's our first movement. That is arm circles. Number 2 is jumping jacks. Now, jumping jacks are a little more difficult, so we're going to start by having our feet about shoulder width apart, okay? Hands and arms are by our side, okay? There are 2 steps to this. So first, when you jump, you want to jump with your feet out, and then your hands and your arms will go above your head. Then when you jump back in, your feet are back close together, and your hands and arms are by your side. That would be 1 jumping jack. Let's think about what fitness component the jumping jacks would fit under. I'll tell you when we're done the jumping jacks. I'm going to demonstrate 5 of them, okay? So feet about shoulder width apart. And then I am going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right? Let's think about what fitness component I just worked on. I'll give you 3 choices. You think it's flexibility, muscular strength, or heart-lung endurance? If you chose heart-lung endurance, you are absolutely right. Because think about when I'm working on my jumping jacks, definitely increases my heart rate. All right? So definitely working on my heart-lung endurance. For the last activity, it's high knees. Don't forget, on the PowerPoint presentation, I have different levels. I have beginners, and then I also have advanced, all right? So if you want to start off at the beginner amount, that's fine, and then you work your way up to the advanced. If you're in 3rd or 4th grade and you feel pretty comfortable, then you can definitely just start off at the advanced. So for high knees, I'm going to have my feet apart. I'm going to bring my right knee up, or my left knee up to my chest, and then my right knee. Left knee up, and then my right knee. Again, I'm bringing them super high above my waist, hence the term high knees. Now I'm starting off at a real slow pace just to show you all how it works. Again, this is definitely going to also work on my heart-lung endurance. As I begin to go a little faster, I'm going to put my hands a little bit above my waist level and then have my knees slap my hands, okay? Now I'm going to go a little faster. I'm going to bring them up real high, and I'm going to go really fast for my high knees. All right? Again, don't forget, what I demonstrate in the videos in terms of time, you definitely want to perform those activities
longer, and I have the times listed, and you can certainly do them daily. I would love if everyone at Buckingham would practice them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if you really want, you could even practice them twice a day to help your body and mind stay healthy, fit, and active. All right? I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I hope you have an amazing first week with your online learning. All right? I look forward to seeing everybody soon. All right, this is goodbye from Mr. Payne. We'll see you next week.